Next, number 4. According to 1987 Constitution, what is the term limit of the President of the Philippines? Is it A, 3 years, renewable once? Is it letter B, 6 years, non-renewable? Is it C, 4 years, renewable once? Or letter D, 6 years, renewable once? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? The answer here is letter B, as in boy, 6 years and non-renewable. Yun yung president. Ibig sabihin, kapag siya po ay naupo na for 6 years, hindi na siya ulit pwedeng tumakbo for president. However, the different positions in the government is different. Halimbawa, ang vice president can run up to 2 terms, 6 years din po ang kanyang term. Ang mga congressmen has a term of 3 years and can consecutively run for a particular district 3 times, tatlong beses na sunod-sunod. Ang senator naman po ay meron siyang term na 6 years and pwede rin po siyang magkaroon ng dalawang magkasunod na terms. Ano po? Okay?